my friends! So now we will show you what tasty and healthy you can eat for 1200 calories per day, whereas the main vegetable will be spinach. Yes, spinach. I adore spinach, and not only because it's a very wealthy stuff, a lot of vitamins, low numbers of calories, well, yes, sure, but also because there is a huge selection of cool dishes and a lot of ways how to cook spinach truly divine. So we are going to do something nice for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Let's do that!
Here is a list of simple ingredients which we need for the day: spinach, red onion, leek, garlic, eggs, tomatoes, raw prosciutto, oranges, nuts, chili pepper, parmesan, soya sauce, balsamica, gluten-free pasta, champignons, soya milk, salt, pepper and oil. Breakfast: sunny side up with spinach. In one portion from 2 eggs contains 280 calories, but now we will cook 2 portions. The list what we need for 2 portions is 4 eggs, 150 grams of spinach, half of the big red onion, 1 big garlic clove, salt and pepper. Cut the onion. Chop garlic. Fry it until golden crust. Add spinach, mix it. Make the holes for the eggs. Add salt, beat eggs, close with the lid and fry until the whites become ready. Sunny side up is ready. Bon appetit! Lunch: salad with spinach, prosciutto and orange. In one portion of this salad contains 430 calories. For the salad we need 100 grams of spinach, prosciutto 3/4 slices, leek, 2 big cherry tomatoes, orange, lemon, nuts, oil, balsamic, soya sauce and pepper. Serve spinach on the dish. Cut 6-7 rings of the leek and put on the top of spinach. Cut tomatoes and add to the salad. Peel the orange, cut on cubes and add to the dish. Squeeze a little bit of lemon juice. Roll nicely the slices of prosciutto and add to the salad. Add pepper. A bit of soy sauce. And some oil. Crush and add the walnuts. Also crushed pistachios. And cashew. Decorate with balsamic. Bon appetit! Dinner. Gluten-free pasta with spinach and champignons. One portion of this dish contains 490 calories. For 2 portions of this dish, we need 200 grams of pasta, 200 grams of spinach, 4 big champignons, 1 chili pepper, 100 grams of soy milk, and parmesan 20-30 grams. Also oil, pepper, and salt. Put the pan with water on fire for the pasta. Add to the water any oil that helps to the pasta not to stick together. Put another pan and add oil. Cut chili and add to the pan with oil. Cut champignons. Add to the chili. Fry it together a couple of minutes until the golden crust. Mix well. As soon as the water boils, add spaghetti to the water. Cook it 1 minute, more than it says on the package, because that is gluten-free. Add salt and always check and mix the pasta. Add the spinach to the champignons. Mix and fry all together around 2 minutes. Add salt and pepper. Finally, pour around 150 also possible grams of soya milk. Mix all and cook all together 2-3 minutes. When the spaghetti are ready, drain the water. And add a bit of oil. Put spaghetti to the spinach. Mix well all together. Add parmesan. And keep it warm under the lid around 5-10 minutes. Serve 1 portion on the dish. Enjoy it! Bon appétit!